Today we're making shorbat ades, the classic Lebanese lentil soup. And we're going to start with 1 cup of red lentils. I still always sift through the lentils, even though supermarket lentils come mostly clean. It's always good to just check them over. Once I've made sure there are no stones or any odd bits, I'm going to add about 5 cups of water, and that's usually the ratio that you cook lentils with. And the water has to be cold, otherwise the lentils will cook on the outside and then they'll still be tough in the middle. Bring the lentils to the boil and skim off any foam that comes to the surface with a spoon. I love how simple this recipe is. So for 1 cup of lentils, you're going to need 1 onion, 1 carrot and 1 medium potato. Roughly chop them and add them to the lentils once they come to the boil. We're going to cook them for about 20 minutes or so until the potatoes are done. While they're cooking, I'm also going to add a small pinch of turmeric and about half a tablespoon of salt. Don't add too much turmeric or it'll overpower the soup, and trust me, I learnt that from mistake. The lentils and the vegetables look cooked now, so I'm going to turn off the heat and go in with the hand blender to make it nice and smooth. Soups are flexible. Add more boiling water if you don't like it too thick. Recipes are just a guide depending on the ingredients that you have, so you have to trust your instincts and see how you like it. The soup is looking good, and I'm going to add a final drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, which just brings everything together. Some people also like to add a squeeze of lemon at the end. I personally don't think it's necessary. You can also try my brown lentil soup with Swiss chard. That is also a good one. The link to the full recipe is in the description below, and check back for more videos coming your way.